Now we are going to see common factors. What is common factors? When we find factors of two or more numbers and then find some factors are the same, then they are the common factors. That means you have to take out two numbers. One is, for example, factors of 12 and 16. You have to find out two factors. Factors for 12 and factors of 16. You have to find the factor of 12 and you have to find the factor of 16. Then you have to you have to find out the common factor for these two numbers. What are the common factors? Means same number. That is, what are the factors for 12 and what are the factors of 16? For both factors, you have to get the same number. That is called as a common factor. I'll repeat, when we find the factors of two or more numbers, not only two numbers, two or more numbers you can find for the factor, and then find some factors are the same. Only for the some factors are similar for both numbers or more than two numbers, then they are the common factors. That is what I am giving the if I am giving the example, if I say the example, if I explain the example, you can get the clear idea. Okay, that is, I'll repeat once again. When we find the factors of two number, we can find the factors not only for the one number, we can find the factors for two numbers or more than two numbers. You can find out. While you find the factors of two or more numbers, some numbers are same or some numbers are similar in both the factors, or more than two numbers you have taken, or two numbers are taken, or both numbers you are taken, or two numbers or both numbers both are similar, or more than two numbers. That is what common factors. I'll repeat once again. That is, while you take the factor of two or more numbers, only some factors, not some numbers, some factors are same. Two or more numbers, then find some factors are the same. Some factors are same for the particular number you have taken. For example, 12 and 16 and 18, the three numbers have taken. So you have to find the factor of 12, you have to find the factor of 16, and you have to find the factor of 18. This is the example I've given. So some factors for 12 and 16 and 18, some factors only similar or same for the three numbers. That means two or more numbers. That is called as the common factors. Okay, so if you take two or more numbers, only some factors are same for the given number or for the taken number. That is the common factors. Okay, now I'm going to explain the sum. So now I'm going to now I'm going to discuss about factors of 12 and 16. So I've taken two numbers. So factors of 12, you know that 1 into 12. So I'm using only for the multiplication method. So factors of 12 is equal to 1 into 12, you can get 12, 2 into 6 you can get 12, 3 into 4 you can get 12. So what are the factors? You know that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. That is what I have mentioned in the circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. This is the factors of 12. Now I am going to move on the factors of 16. 1 into 16, 2 into 8, 16, 4 into 4, 16. So I am using the multiplication method. So 1 into 16 you can get 16, 2 into 8 you can get 16, 4 into 4 you can get 16. These are the possible factors of maximum possible factors of 16. So factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. That is what I mentioned. This is the factors of, this diagram mentioned the factors of 16. So 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. This I have done in the this I mentioned in the diagram, and this I drawn in the diagram. I shown in the diagram also. So factors of 12. So I've written again 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. I have written the same answer here also. Factor of 16, I just write it below. Factor of 16, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So what are the common factors? For these two numbers, some factors are same, some factors are similar. This is called as a common factor. So 1 and 1 for these two number, 2 and 2, these two number, and these two come for the 2 is a factor. This factor come for the two numbers. 1 is a common factor, this come for the two numbers. And what is a 4? Here also 4, here also 4. So 2 times 4 comes for the two numbers. So 1 is a factor and 2 is a factor and 4 is a factor. So these numbers are common factor because these factors come for the two numbers. These factors are similar. These factors are same in both places. Okay, these numbers are present in both places. Factors of 12 you can get 1 and 1. Factors of 16 you can get 1 and 1. Factors of 12 you can get 2, factors of 16 you can get 2, and factors of 12 you can get 4, and factors of 16 4. So what is some factors are same in both the places, present in both places. So 1 is present in both place, and 2 is present in both place, and 4 is present in both place. So some factors, what are the factors? 1, 2 and 4. These factors are, that is what they mention, some factors are the same, that is then they are the common factors. So we have taken two numbers, some factors are same in both the numbers whatever you have taken. So 1 2 4 1 2 4 are present in both the places, both the numbers. So these are the common factors of 12 and 16. So diagram common factor of 12 and 16. So this is what, so I'm just a common diagram. So common diagram means factors of 12 and factors of 16. This is factors of 12, and this is the factors of 16. Okay, this particular number, this is the CF, that is common factor. So I've just shown in the diagram. Okay, I've shown the common factor in the diagram. I just explained the common factor in the diagram form. So common factors of 12 and 16 we have to find out. So I've completed all the sums. Finally what I've done it, I've shown the common factor in the diagrammatic representation, diagrammatic form. So what you're going to do, factor of 12. So for factor of 12, what are the answers? 1 2 3 4 6 12, right? See, 1 2 4 1 2 4, the common factors for this common factor, that is, I just color it. Okay, so 1 2 4 1 2 4 1 2 4, this is the common factor. So 1 2 4, this common factor for factor of 12 and factor of 16. This is the common factor for both the numbers, for that is factor of 12 and factor of 16. That is what I've mentioned in the different column. Okay, this is a common factor. So but factor of 12 means you have to include this also, this common factor also include for factor of 12. So 1 2 4 3 12 6, that is what, 1 2 3 4 6 12, that is what I mentioned. So factor of 16, what you're going to do, factor of 1 2 4 8 6. So again you have to include this, because 1 2 4, these three numbers common factor of 12 and 16. So you have to include again. So 1 2 4 8 and 16. So this part is a what, factor of 16, and this part is a factor of 12, and the middle part, the center part, that is a intersection. So this one diagram, this one circle, this is another circle, I've combined together. So this middle part, that's the intersection part, is called as a common factor. So the answer is 1 2 4 1 2 4, that is a common factor. So I showed in a different color, okay, for the different color. So 1 2 4 is a common factor.